Hey, this is Dave Wise. Today we're at Mike Mancini's shop in Rhode Island, and we are doing an OE validation on this 1969 Daytona. I'll show you more photos coming up shortly. What I wanted to share with you for this video is the attention to detail of the axle. Absolutely is next level, including the drive shaft. You can see the various shades of the metal. See the process marks, the axle ratio, part numbers, the tag, the assembly date, the axle code. This is just like it was on the original axle. Brake backing plate. Great attention to detail. This is a textbook example of how to properly restore a 1969 Chrysler 8 3/4 axle. On this vehicle, even the shocks are NOS, properly dated.